Hey, what's going on YouTube? It's your boy Rico Copeland, man, back with another video. Today we actually gonna talk about and we gonna unbox some Gucci slides. Now, I've never had no Gucci slides, and yeah, I'm excited. My beautiful wife got them for me for Father's Day, so we about to unbox those and see what's to them. Let's get in it. All right, so we on the Gucci website right now. I know we about to pass the common one. Those are the common ones right there. I've never had a pair of Gucci slides, so I'm actually excited about unboxing these. These beautiful red babies right here are the ones she got me. So we're gonna go on the website and check them out first, just to make sure everything match up. Yeah, pretty badass. All right, so the first thing I noticed, man, is that, and this is a good way to tell if you're getting a wook or not, with the quality of just the print on the bag. So that's another way to tell if I don't mean a blind job, by the way. Beautiful wife gave me this too, so yeah. Okay, so here's the box. Pretty neat, pretty neat. All right, now with the unboxing. Oh, okay. So here we go. Here they are. I see what comes in here. They got this feels this don't feel like regular paper. It's almost, I don't know if you can tell by the video, but it's almost kind of clothy. But you're getting some good quality, you know what I mean? All right, quit struggling with this. Nice tags. Same for this slide. Nice little tag. And these are high quality. Once again, if you're ever worried about getting ripped off, I mean, you honestly at this point in 2020, you should be able to just tell by the quality. Unfortunately, I've had some fake Gucci in my life, and this quality is just, even the tag is like a card stock foam board or whatever. So there's that. I'll put those here. Let's see what else we got in the bag. It? No? Okay. So you got, oh man, it smells good in there. So you got whatever this is, that I think it's called silica. You get these amazing bags, and I'm gonna assume that they're for the slides. I'm not gonna say I'm 100% correct about the bottom. Got a couple items here. So this, let's see what this is. Okay, so this just pretty much, I don't know what any of it says. Gucci responsibility. I don't know what that means. I'm assuming this is a serial number for authenticity. I'm sorry. Okay. This is clearly the exact same thing. Okay. Aha. What do we got here? A certificate of authenticity. That's pretty nice, man. See, presentation is everything, and as a graphic designer, I learned that, that's what separates quality. And once again, you can tell even from the indents on here that the emboss, that it's just high quality. So I don't really know what this is, but it's gonna get edited out. So I'm gonna give these a 10 out of 10. The only thing I'm confused about is, do I wear them with socks, with no socks? Y'all really don't want to see my feet without socks, so I would do an on foot thing for y'all, but yeah, I'm not gonna do that. So I hope y'all enjoyed this video, man. I hate watching videos where there's more rambling than actual showing. So if y'all like my content, if y'all like my video, man, just go ahead and give your boy a good subscribe and a like, man. These are real high quality, real nice. I don't even know where I'm gonna break them out for. Was gonna be the 4th of July, but COVID-19 said, no, y'all ain't doing nothing. So we're gonna listen, Mr. COVID. Oh yeah, the bag. I'm sorry. Before we go, let's see if these fit in the bags. Okay. And so then, boom, you just tighten that at the top, and that's pretty nice. So we're gonna put these back. Put that in there. Tighten it at the top. There it is. It's pretty awesome, man. It's pretty badass. So it's my first pair of Gucci slides, man. Once again, I don't know when I'm gonna wear them, but if you're waiting on these and you're excited, you're one of those excited shoppers and you want to see what they look like, hey man, this was for you. Like I said, if you don't mind, go ahead and I don't know if did I show y'all how I got the best wife in the world? I don't know if I showed y'all that, but yeah, man, that's from my wife, man. That was amazing. So that's gonna be it for today's video, man. Like I said, if I can get y'all to, like, comment, subscribe, engage with your boy a little bit, that'll be really appreciated. So I'm gonna sign out here, and here's what we got, man. Thank y'all for watching.